This is Willard Vanderveer in Hollywood, wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
Ici Jean Magny à Paris qui vous souhaite à tous un joyeux Noël, which means this is Jean Magny in Paris wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
And from the Midwest of America in Chicago, this is Tony Computer wishing you all a Merry Christmas.
This is Phil Pendry in Canada, wishing you all a happy holiday season.
From Washington, D.C., a Merry Christmas to all. This is George Dorsey.
Murray Alvey.
Clarence Ellis.
A Merry Christmas from Santa Claus.
Soy Alfonso Manrique de México, deseando a ustedes una feliz Navidad, which means this is Alfonso Manrique in Mexico, wishing you a very Merry Christmas.
This is Frank Vale in San Francisco, wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
Da América do Sul, boas festas para todos. Wish means from South America, Merry Christmas to all.
From the great Northwest, we wish you a Merry Christmas. This is Ray Paulson in Seattle.
This is Claire Aho, wishing you all hyvää joulua from Finland.
From the playground of the South, this is Cliff Poland in Miami, wishing you all a Merry Christmas.
Watashi wa Tokyo no Jin Zenia desu. Minasan, Christmas omedetou gozaimasu. Which means this is Gene Zanier in Tokyo wishing you all a Merry Christmas.
Hier ist Thilo von Reibnitz in Berlin und wünscht allen fröhliche Weihnachten. Which means this is Thilo von Reibnitz in Berlin wishing you all very happy Christmas.
Hier spricht Ernst Lechner in Frankfurt. Ich wünsche Ihnen allen fröhliche Weihnachten. Which means this is Ernst Lechner in Frankfurt wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
This is Bob Donahue on behalf of the New York Cameramen wishing you a very Merry Christmas.